Welcome everyone. In this session, we will go through the Amazon EC2, which is compute based service, and then we will review how can we proceed. So Amazon EC2, if you see the screen, it is a secure and resizable compute capacity for virtually any workload. In the AWS free tier for 12 months, you can use 750 hours per month for the uh, that particular compute instance. So the main objective, if you see that it is access reliable, scalable infrastructure on demand, scale capacity within minutes with SLA commitment of 99.99% availability, and provide secure compute for your application. Security is built into the foundation of Amazon EC2 with the AWS Nitro system. Optimize performance and cost with flexible options like AWS Graviton-based instances, Amazon EC2 Spot instance, and a AWS savings plan. And finally, migrate and build application with easy. You can use easily with AWS migration tools, AWS managed service, or AWS light sail. So these are the things you can proceed for EC2. On a high level, you see the EC2 offers the broadest and deepest compute platform with over 500 instances and choice for the latest processor, storage, networking, operating system, and purchase model to help you best match the needs for your workload. And AWS is the major cloud provider that supports Intel, AMD, and ARM processors, the only cloud with on-demand EC2 Mac instances, and only the cloud with 400 Gbps Ethernet networking. And different use cases they support, like run cloud native and enterprise application, skill for HPC application, develop for Apple platforms, and train and deploy ML application. So not further proceeding details, just if we go at getting started. So here we want to familiarize with EC2 instances, how we can play it. So in this here we have the AWS Management Console. So AWS Management Console, you have the particular reason, the account you have created. So this is the new EC2 experience and EC2 dashboard. So based on this diagram, so first step we already go through here, and second step is launch your instances. So if we go to the yeah, launch instances, how can we proceed? And these are the screen here. You see that what are the instances here, and for any first launch your instance, launch instances. You can say test app, some name you can give. I'm going to the step 2, and you select for the application and OS images. Here you see that what are the AMI is there, application Amazon Machine Image AMI. So AWS, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat is there. So we will select Amazon Linux, AWS, and then the Amazon Linux kernel. This already mentioned, verified provider. And then going to the instance type. So we select T2 Micro, which is free tier eligible. So as you see that, so we already select the T2 Micro, and then configure your instance. In this particular case, we will proceed without a key pair, just to see you how to familiarize with your instance. And then the networking settings, create security group, allow SSH from anywhere, and configure storage. If we go to that screen, At security group, already you select your basic options. So EC2 offers, we select the default options, 8 GB and GP2 routes per volume. And then we can go for the launch instance. Instance is launching. We are checking what is the instance condition. You see the instance is just created, but it is instance state is pending at the moment. Yes, it's the instance condition is running. So we will see the after launching your instance, you can connect to it is in the computer setting in front of you. There are several ways to connect to the console. We recommend using EC2 Instance Connect. So what we will do, select this option. EC2 Instance Connect. It is connected, and you see that establishing connection. So we just, yes, so you are connected to your instance. So you can easily check your command if config -a. So and finally you can uh, as it's a free to start, so it is important that you can terminate instance to prevent additional charges. So how can you terminate the instance? Go to the instances, then if you select the instance and instance state, you just terminate the instance. So it's shutting down. So in this way, we just give you some high-level overview for the Amazon EC2 instance so that you can familiarize uh, yourself with the EC2 instances. So hopefully this session brings you interest for the other services of EC2, and we will gradually discuss more AWS services later on. Thanks for watching.